Hengia Automatic Dual Robot Blister Packaging Machine, presenting an efficient cable packaging solution. Dual robots work in sync for precise picking and placing, delivering true automation. Featuring a multi-station rotary table, simultaneous operations for multiplied efficiency, easily integrates into your existing production line for seamless end-to-end workflows. Key advantages: saving labor and boosting productivity. One machine replaces multiple workers, ensuring long-term economy. Equipped with a smart PLC touchscreen interface. User-friendly controls for easy setup and management. A sturdy protective cover shields the rotary table, enhances operational stability and safety. Hengia Machinery is committed to providing practical and reliable automation equipment for your factory. Choose Hengia for an efficient and stable production experience. Contact us today to explore solutions for your needs.